free way to transcribe audio or video even to text totally for free using Whisper AI. And this is a step-by-step tutorial. And I am going to basically share with you exactly how to do it as simple as possible. This text here will be below the video so you can basically follow along with me. All you need is a Google Drive account, which is totally free. There you go. Then we're going to install some software, then we're going to put in some code. Don't worry if you've never coded before, if that freaks you out. Honestly, this is so simple. You do not need to worry. We're then going to upload a video or audio, and then it's going to basically transcribe it for free, and you can use it over and over and over again. Okay, I hope that's going to be helpful. Before we go any further, please like it right now, subscribe, comment, all that lovely stuff, thumbs up, whatever else. I don't know what else you can do, but all the stuff that YouTube like me even more. This is really helpful. So, right, first of all, you need a Google Drive account. If you haven't got one already, it's free to set up. Just set it up, and it's drive.google.com. And once you've got that, okay, go to a Google Drive account and go to New. Click on New. Then we got More at the bottom there, and then we're going to connect more apps. Okay, click on and go back to this, and then we just want to copy. I'm going to be using my shortcut, so I'm Control C. Okay, we're going to that. We should go Google Colab. Come back here, put it in the search apps here, and I'm going to go Control V, search for that, and you can see it there, CO, okay, quite distinct. Just click on there, we're going to install it, give it all the permissions, all that lovely stuff they asked for. Click on there, click again, lovely. I'll take a while whilst we wait for it to go. Yeah, that. We're just going to refresh it just in case. Okay, then come to New, More, and we'll see it installed. Look at that, magic. So click on there, lovely. Wait for it to load. Yada. Like that. All right, so here we are. The first thing you want to do, just go and rename your file, whatever you want to rename it. I'm just going to do test for this, and you want to also star it. And the reason why we want to star it is because we're going to be coming back to this file time and time again, because it's basically a free way of transcribing anything we want. Now, the next thing you want to do, and this is the most technical part, is you want to go to Runtime, click on there, click on Change Runtime Type, click on there, go to T for GPU, save, and that's it. That's probably the most difficult part of this whole process. Okay, once that's done, it's done forever. Okay, now let's go back to the guide. So we've installed it, we've changed the runtime. Now we need to go and get this code, and all this is doing is installing platform or the software, whatever you want to call it, onto your Google Drive to be able to transcribe audio and video. Again, once you've done this once, that's it. And also, it's not installing it on your local computer. So if you've got a really rubbish computer, don't worry, nothing's been installed on your computer at all. It's all on the cloud. It's all up there in the cloud, wherever the cloud is. Okay, so copy that. That'll be quick. Copy this. Come back to here. Click in there and paste. All you have to do, and then press play. And then we just wait for it. Too many sessions. Okay, I haven't got other sessions running. Okay, sorry about that. So this is now, and we're just going to wait for it to install. And it normally takes about 20 seconds or something like that. There you go, 23 seconds. That's a pretty good guess. Now, once this is installed, that's pretty much it. You won't ever have to install this again. And I'll show you that later, what that is all about. Now, the next thing you want to do is let's go back here and show you. We want to upload the file that you want to work with. So the way we do this, we go to this little file here, click on there, and we can either drag and drop, or we can do an upload. I'm going to do an upload. So you click on this little icon, upload, and I'm going to do one of these videos here. So I'm just going to click on this, double click, and it's going to upload it. Now, this warning basically tells you that although you're uploading the file, it's not going to be kept on there indefinitely, okay? Because down here you can see you've got a disk. You don't want it to fill that. So it'll upload it while this job is going to happen, and then it will automatically delete it. So make sure you've always backed up the file that you're uploading. Click OK. Now the next part, we want to do is we want to run this code. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to grab this code, for this, and first thing we'll do is click on this icon here which just says code. Click on there, okay, and then with this code into there. Now your file name, this is this. So you rename that, copy this file name. So all I did was Control A and then Control C. We come back here and we replace this, a bit tricky this is, with that. You see? So we've got this code and we've replaced that bit there with the name of this. So it knows to transcribe this file that you've uploaded. Okay. Then all you have to do is to click that button and it will do it. And it will take maybe a minute, maybe how big the file is. This file is about, well, there you go, it tells you 1 gigabyte, 1.42 gigabyte. This is quite a big file. So, but it doesn't long as you can see. So I'm going to pause this for now and then come back a little bit later. Okay, here you go. Basically, that took 2 minutes to transcribe the 1.42 gigabyte file. Now, as you can see here, it's added these files. You got JSON, SRT, STT. Don't worry about those files if you don't know. The main one that you probably want to be interested in is this one, which is .txt, which is text. So you can download that file. It's going to ask me where I want it. I'm going to have it here. Download it. There we go. Let's open it and have a quick look. Quick butchers, and as you can see, it is just a plain text file, which can be really helpful depending on what you want to do with it. Or you can basically have this one here where you can just drag it and copy this. Okay. So the other thing, it's basically detected the language. Not that I've ever recorded another language, but you know, interesting if you have a file in, say, Arabic, how it will convert it, I don't know. So there you go. You basically got your text file. Okay, and free. It's amazing. Now, the cool thing is you can click here in this little icon here, and you know, imagine you come back, you know, a week later, and you need to transcribe another file. You basically just click on it. Again, just double click. It'll open the same one. It would have deleted all those files that you saw in the left. They're still at the moment, but they would have gone. Now, the great thing is you don't need to install all this again. It's done. It's all you do is, even if the code is still there, you can basically upload your file, different file, and then replace this with the file name like we did earlier on. Or you can grab the code and put it in again, and you've basically got an infinite way of just transcribing as many files as you like, which is really cool. Now, there's loads of things that you can do with this text. For example, earlier on, I put in and I said, give me an outline of this video. So it gave me this outline of the video. So for example, imagine you have transcribed a lecture, if you're a student at university, something like that, you've recorded a lecture, you could transcribe it and give me an outline of the lecture using ChatGPT, different program, you know, a sermon, a talk, whatever it is. If you're learning something new, if you basically have got a file of, say, a book, for example, and you want an outline of the book, there's loads of ways that you can use this. Or of course, obviously, you may want to use it in business or something like that as well. So there you go. That is that. I really hope that's helpful. Again, please like, subscribe. Why don't you write a comment right now what you thought of the video? How could I improve it? What else could I have covered? Is there a way that you use a program like this? Or can you think of a way that would be like a really cool, interesting way that you could share with other people? So thanks for stopping by. Love ya. Please, back again. Give me your ideas. And yeah, have a good one.